In this video, I'll be explaining how I turn world events into actual profits in my bank account. What I mean is, imagine profiting off what Elon Musk tweeted or what Donald Trump said or what Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, simply said or a statement that he made in a meeting. I do all these things within the cryptocurrency market through trading. And of course, you can do this from the comfort of your own home on your mobile or on your computer like this. These are all trades made out of world activities. For example, this one has a profit of $57,000 from one trade. My name is Great BTC and I've been trading crypto since 2016. It's been 10 years now. Unbelievable. But what Bitcoin and crypto did for me is that it took me out of absolute poverty to now owning multiple real estate properties in cities like Dubai, in other areas in the world, and also living freely. I'm able to live in 4 cities each and every year, simply because I can operate from anywhere in the world simply trading cryptocurrency. This video is perfectly made for beginners that want to get started with trading cryptocurrency in 2026. Now, whether you have never traded before or you perhaps traded forex or stocks and you want to convert over to crypto, this video will be able to help you. If you watch this video till the end, I will be revealing all the tools and platforms I use to execute trades and also how I'm able to secure and withdraw profits. And most importantly, I'll also be showing you guys the strategy or the system that I use to win more trades than I lose. I've helped millions of people to get into crypto throughout the years, but I do not promise any results. But if you find this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to this video because it supports the channel much more. But first, what are cryptocurrencies? Now, we can go into the rabbit hole into this, but I'll give you guys the most simplified version. All you need to understand while you're trading, because you need to have some kind of fundamental understanding. Simply think of cryptocurrencies as alternative currencies that are independent from government. So money, if you think of it, is a technology. We have used different forms of money over the years to the point that we now use a fiat monetary system. A US dollar, for example, is money that is being printed by the government. Whereas cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, which is the most important cryptocurrency you should know, that is independent from a government. It cannot be controlled. It's just freely roaming around the internet and it's trading in the free market. Governments around the world do not have the same power and control over cryptocurrencies like they have with their own currencies, which makes Bitcoin specifically the best design or form of money that we have as a civilization in 2026. This is why one Bitcoin is worth $90,000 today. But when I got started into crypto about 10 years ago, we used to buy one Bitcoin for $600 only. Today, it's $90,000 for the same Bitcoin. So before we get started, let me actually break down my strategy and why I trade the way I do and how I do it this way. So look at this. Bitcoin has proven to be the most important form of money because it's always just growing over the years. So the strategy for generating wealth or creating wealth or growing your wealth is to have as much Bitcoin as possible. Imagine if you had even just 10 Bitcoin that you bought when it was at $100. Today, you'd be much worthier. So I understand that the Bitcoin price is very volatile. It goes up, it goes down a lot, similar to other cryptocurrencies as well. But Bitcoin is by far the most important. So I take advantage of this volatility. I'll give you an example. Here, the price of Bitcoin was somewhere around $76,000 in 2025. And then it went all the way to $126,000 within a few months. And then after that, it has been going down from 125. Now it's starting at $90,000. So that is a lot of volatility. But what it means is that I'm able to profit. Here, let's say if you had put $1,000 with a good amount of leverage, $1,000 by the time it reached its peak could have easily become $15,000 or $10,000, depending on your risk appetite. And also, even when it went down from here, a trade of $1,000 from here down to where it's at right now could have easily become $7,000 or $8,000. So let's get practical here. What are you looking at? What you're looking at right now is a platform we call TradingView. TradingView is simply a chart platform, and it's actually free. You have paid options as well, but mainly it's a free platform that you can find a lot of chart data, not only for crypto, but also for other type of assets, including stocks, forex, and so on. As beautiful as it looks, it's actually a free platform that you use to do all your analysis, your charting, and then you can take your trades on what we call an exchange afterwards. I'll put the link in the description of TradingView, but also other platforms that I use to trade. So you probably have heard of this popular term called technical analysis. Technical analysis is what you do to analyze price action. Price action simply just means historical data of the price of the said asset. So in this instance, for example, I'm trading Bitcoin, and what you're looking at here is the chart, and these are what we call candlesticks. Candlesticks simply represent the price at a point in time. So if you're looking at a green candle, like this is per some kind of a different kind of blue or green, but this means that the price went up. If you're looking at a red candle, it means that the price went down at that moment. That's basically all it is. So this is not confusing at all. It's just showing you that, okay, on this day, the price started at $91,000. And by the end of that day, the price was $93,000. On this day, it started at 93,000, and then it went down to 93,600, and so on and so forth. And then you can use this data to make sense of what is going on and to find patterns that can repeat themselves, and you can make a lot of money. So for this chart, for example, I'm looking at a 4-hour time frame, and then I can squeeze it down to even a 1-hour time frame and try to find a pattern. So you can see, I can see here that I have a little bit of, there was a bounce here in the past. This is where the markets decided to take off and it pumped a little bit. And then there's also another critical level here where we consolidated for a while. And right now we have hit this level again for a moment. So right now, to me, this represents that, okay, there is a lot of support level here. The market is more likely to bounce back a little bit. So I would open a long trade or a long position to say, I think it's going to go up from here and maybe up until the next resistance level right here. And then I can put some money down with some leverage. And then if it works out, okay, I make some money. And let's say I make 10%. If it doesn't work, I'll lose, but I'll lose very little. Maybe I'll lose 2% here somewhere. Now that we have a trade, where do you actually place it? Where do you execute the trade so that it happens? This is where what we call a crypto exchange comes in. In stocks or in forex, you mostly hear about brokers. In crypto, we don't really use brokers. We use crypto exchanges because they're just modern. They're very new, efficient, fast, and more beautiful. It's the equivalent of email to fax. So brokers are more like fax machines. Crypto exchanges are more like email. So that's what we use here. And I'm using BTCC. It's what I like to use now because it works everywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you are. You can simply click the link in the description to create your own account. They even they have a campaign now where they're giving 10% rebates on new signups, and you can start using it immediately. It doesn't even require KYC for small accounts. So you don't even have to worry about getting verified and so on, unless you're trying to create a bigger account. Then you might need to do some KYC. So once you have your crypto exchange, you can basically place the trades here. So there are different types of exchanges in the world, but mostly they look relatively the same. A popular question that I get from forex traders is that, okay, are there funding options in crypto? When they say funding options, they're referring to prop firms. These are platforms that fund you to get a funded account to trade on. Yes, you have HashH, which is what I use for funding accounts. You can get up to $100,000 to trade, and you take 80% of the profits. They only take 20%. So this is an incredible opportunity for someone who wants to get a funded account. You have options from $5,000 all the way to $100,000, and it's cheap for the amount of capital that they provide you. I'll put the link in the description. Also, if you use that link, you should get about 20% on your purchase. Now, I don't want to leave you hanging, and I would like to open a real trade right now in real time so that you can see how easy it is, and then you can also execute your own trade and make 2026 great for yourself. So I did a quick analysis here, like a quick technical analysis trying to figure out where the market might be going and what I need to do. But I want to do something extra. You can either do technical analysis in this way. You have a bunch of tools, like hundreds of tools on TradingView for technical analysis. You could also go for the simplified version of it. Okay. So here I like to use this indicator, which gives me signals. It's called the nitrous bull. I will also put the link to it in the description. It's really easy because it gives you call. It gives you calls to say bearish or bullish. Whenever it says bull, it means the market is about to go up. Maybe it's the right time to buy or go long. Whenever it says bear, it means the market is about to go down. It's probably time to short or to sell. So you can have an example here. It's not perfect, but it's more right than wrong. It's definitely better than you at calling the prices. So here it said bear on 10th of October, 2025. At that moment, the price of Bitcoin was $126,000. If you listen here and open a short position, you would be riding into profits all the way down to 80,000 because Bitcoin went down from 124,000 to about $80,000 like this. So this is what I like to use at different time frames. So I can find it on the 4-hour. It's kind of short term. So I can see that on the 4-hour, yesterday, it actually called it bearish already. So I will just follow the 4-hour time frame here and open a short position. So I can go to BTCC right now, and I can open a position right here. I'll go with 5x leverage. Okay. And that will give me 0.25 Bitcoin, and I'll open short. We can then go back in there and implement risk management through stop loss and take profit, which is very easy to do on BTCC. You just click the add button right here, click, and then you can decide, you can sort of see what is your take profit level. Let's say 86,000. And then stop loss, it's 90,300. Just quick one here off the top of my head. So that's basically how easy it is. And I know there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but the methodology is exactly the same. If you're a beginner, I would recommend you stick to just trading Bitcoin until you get confident with all the others. Now, I have a Telegram group right now, which is free. You can join. I tend to share a lot of my trades in there, but I also post daily videos on this channel, which I do recommend that you subscribe to the channel, and you have to make sure that you're watching those videos as well. I also created the best course that you're ever going to need for cryptocurrency trading, which is available at Crypto University. I'll put the link in the description, but also link in bio. And you can easily find all my links and the platforms that I use if you go to graybtc.io. All the links and the resources I use for AI stuff and for crypto things and trading things, you should be able to find them there. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any requests and other type of videos you want me to make, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you at the top.